This year's World Heart Day theme is using heart to connect with another heart. For a physician, this another heart will be our patient, and at a larger level, the people from the community. As we know, cardiovascular disorders are primarily lifestyle disorders. So it becomes very important for physician to use this knowledge of disease and the role of various risk factors in managing the treatment of the disease successfully, so that a better outcome can be given to the patient. So how we are going to achieve this? How we are going to orient our patients so that they can take care of these risk factors? So orienting our patient at a OPD level or a hospital level can be done with the digital media. In current era, when there is a lot of modernization has occurred in the digital media, we can definitely use it. We can use it with the help of small educational videos, platforms like Facebook and Instagram, so that the message of the taking care of your heart with the help of managing risk factors can be done. Communities with the low socio-economic areas and the where in a rural areas where we cannot reach out with the digital media, we can definitely go in person, have awareness campaigns, checkup camps, so that we can communicate with the people and orient them about taking care of their heart with the help of these educational videos and some short films. So it becomes primary importance for a physician in today's era managing a successful cardiovascular disorders with the help of education and orientation. For that, digital media will be definitely a very good platform.
I welcome you all on World Heart Day. Hypertension as a word which denotes hyper and tension. So where is the tension? Who is in tension? How is this tension created? When was this tension created? All these have got a simple answers. That hypertension is not the disease of a heart or an artery. It is an maladaptation of a body to different stress and strain which get created within and without in a human being. So blood pressure, when it goes up, it is a maladaptive mechanism adopted by body to take care of stress and strain. So it is not a disease of heart. So it cannot be dealt with a few tablets or few pills, which is a misunderstanding or misconcept which the world carries, that if we take few antihypertensives, which will take care of the disease. So what do we need to do? We need to understand hypertension in a more holistic perspective. What is this holistic perspective? The disease is caused by biopsychosocial factors, the cultural, economical and political uncertainties. They all have impact on an individual. What is important is how an individual adapt to all this changing world with the time and circumstance. The familial stress, the occupational stress, the work stress and the social stress demands a lot of better adaptation from an individual. And in a current fast life, the more strain, the more we have to work, the more our system has to overwork, and hypertension is one of the expression of this stress and strain of the life. So if we want to manage this hypertension in its holistic perspective, we have to approach it from a holistic perspective and not by just taking in tablets. So what are the holistic approach? The holistic approach is to manage oneself. There are systems, alternative systems, which can come in an integrated way and manage the patient in a healthy way. So how do this holistic system works? They take care of an individual from a different causative perspective, from different adaptive perspective. They take the individual in a disease and disease in an individual, so that they are able to see why the person is diseased. Homeopathy is one of the system which approaches the individual in a holistic way. Our constitutional approach, or approach which takes person as a whole in account, helps individual in a better adaptive mechanisms and a better life to live with the hypertension. So I would request all of you to please look at the hypertension not from a perspective of alone cardiac and can be managed with few pills. You need to manage your life. You need to take and help and support of an holistic healer. And homeopathy has got a lot to offer in a management of individual as well as hypertension. Thank you.